Hey, this is Mike Otranto with Mike Buys Houses. This is our most recent purchase out here in Fuquay. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's about 1,400 square feet. Beautiful property. Had a seller that was in a bind. Unfortunately, what happened was they did business with another internet-based home buyer that backed out at the last minute and basically left this particular seller hanging. She was due to move out to another state the next day. They just stopped talking to her, said they weren't going to buy the property. She was all ready to move. She called me, so I showed up, and we actually went under contract that night. And we'll be buying this house from her. All cash, no inspections, no. We pay all the closing costs, so there's no repairs. We're taking it as is. It's real simple, hassle-free sale.